Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a budget meal, which is a fisherman's pie. Here I have a kg of potato which I washed and boiled out. And I'm going to peel this quickly and show y'all how I mash my potatoes. And in the meantime, I'll also be preheating my oven to 175. Here's my potatoes peeled out. I am going to add in a grain of black pepper, and then a grain of salt, and then I'm adding a tablespoon of margarine. I will mash in my potatoes. Here's my mash. It's done. I'm just going to cover the mash and keep it aside, and thereafter get ready for the fish part for the fisherman pie. I am going to need the following ingredients, which is I have a Lucky Star 400 gram of tin fish, but the choice is yours. You can use a middle cut or tin salmon or any other fish. I've got one large onion that I grated, a quarter cup of oil, 4 cloves of garlic, and 3 green chillies, and a stem of curry leaf, which I'm going to grind out in my pestle and mortar. For my spices, I have 1 teaspoon of pure chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of hurdee, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of fine salt to taste. Then for the topping, I am using a cup of cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you have. Then to garnish, I'm going to use lovely fresh dhania, and to sprinkle on top, I'm going to use some shallots. Before we start braising, I'm going to quickly grind these ingredients together. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and I've got a non-stick frying pan, which I'm just going to add in my quarter cup of oil to it. And to the oil, I'm going to add in my onions. I will allow these onions to fry till it's lightly brown. My onions has browned up. I'm just going to add in my garlic, which was crushed with my curry leaf and chillies. After a few seconds, I'm ready to add in my masalas. I'll give this a quick mix. My masalas has fried out, and as you can see, I cleaned up my tin fish, and I'm going to add it into the masalas with the sauce. I'll give this a gentle mix. And I'm also going to lower my heat. I'm going to add in my salts. I will allow this tin fish to cook out. It has been 10 minutes, and as you can see, my tin fish is cooked and the liquid has dried. I'm going to switch my stove off, and then I'm going to garnish with my dhania. I'm going to try to cut it very fine and garnish. Now we are ready to assemble our fisherman's pie. I've got my oven tray that I use spray and cook to it. Now I'm ready to start layering. I'm going to start off with a thin layer of mash. I am done with my first layer of potato. Now I'm ready to layer my tin fish. I'm going to try to spread this tin fish out evenly. I'm done spreading my tin fish in one layer, and thereafter I'm going to spread in more of my mashed potato. I will try to finish off this potato. I've done spreading out my mashed potatoes, and now I'm ready to sprinkle in my cheese. If you love cheese, you can sprinkle a little extra to your bake. And thereafter, I'm going to sprinkle in my shallot. I'm going to put this into the oven for 20 minutes to bake. 20 minutes has passed and my fisherman's pie is ready to take off the oven. I'm going to get Pranesh to help me out to cut this in portions while it's slightly hot. Here you go, your fisherman's pie, served with some lovely coleslaw on the side. This is a lovely budget meal, a very tasty meal. By using 1 kilo potatoes and 1 tin fish, can be able to serve 8 adults. I hope you give this easy and tasty recipe a try. Catch you on the next video. Thank you all very much.